Hello, everybody. Today we are going to speak about free of the month for Unreal Engine. Today, this is the first location for free. You can see all of these assets. We need to change this camera to see all of these assets. Look here, nice and high quality assets. Look for this tree. Look for all of them. So flower, and if you come here, see all of these assets, texture for wall, and you just a little bit up. So look for chair and look for all of these assets. All of them they are free. Look for this details. If you come here, monitor and laptop and all of this office. If you come to this area, I think amazing. If you can use it for short film or for games, all of this assets. Look here. Um, So look here, and some of them outside. If you check this one, look, we need to come again. See this partition, all of this partition, monitor, all of them. So look for all of this assets. So here we need to come to this area, stair, this one, all assets you can use them if you want any kind of material or bird or curtain or anything. You can use them. This is for light, stairs, and all of this component. You can use it from here. Now I'm going to the second project. Second one, this is amazing location. I like it so much. And look for all of these assets. Look and light and all of them. Look for here for all of this cartoony stuff. Look, plastic and metal. So I'm going to hide all of them here. So you can use all of them in any short film or movie or anything. We need to go outside. Look, this is another. Yeah, we need to come here. Look for all of these details, and you can take all of these assets. You can use it in any place or any short movie or game. You can use it as you like. So if you come here to this, we can go to overview, see all of these assets here. You can check it and take what you want from them. Look here. This is the first location. I like it for free and marketplace. This is typical for free stylist Egypt. This one you can write this and you can find this amazing project. I like this place because I am Egyptian and all of this asset, no, all of them they are not from Egypt but just style. For pyramids, you can see all of assets and pyramids, and this all of this detail, high quality. Um, we are in Egypt. We don't add all of kind of this texture, but anyway, style and so nice. You can use it in short film, or you can use all of these assets in cartoony style. I like this tree, really nice, amazing. So you can go and see all of this details. So something like this, you can use them. So this is for free in Unreal Engine. This is the final one. You can come here and you can see all of this assets and cartoony water, so you can use it as you like in any. So look for this details. Look, and just you need to enable ray tracing, because I think it will take around 10 minutes to calculate the material. Look for this nice assets and all of this, all of them, they are for free. If you like, press Alt S to see all of this kind. Look for this material little bit. Look, all of this animation, you can look. If you enable just uh, if you enable material, you can see all of them amazing. So you can check this one, river. Look for all of this detail. See this black here. You can see this kind and different material. You can come here and just click Alt, and you can make extension for all of them, so you can use it and play with all of this assets. So here, so this is overview for this map. Look, this is material, this, all of them for free. Look for this nice home, look for this tree, and this kind of all of stuff for free. You can use them in your game as you like. So all of these assets, you can find them in a marketplace. Come here and go for free for months, so you can check all of them, all of this for free. If this is the first time at my channel, don't forget to subscribe for my channel and like for my video, and see you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum.